More than 50% users on our app have at least one FlexiCap fund in their portfolio. But do you know the story behind why FlexiCap funds were introduced? In September 2020, SEBI put a mandate on every multi-cap fund to invest a minimum of 25% each in large, mid, and small cap category. But since 74% of multi-caps AUM was in large cap, it wasn't a practical idea to switch to mid and small caps immediately. So fund houses requested SEBI to make changes in the rule. Instead of changing the rule, SEBI introduced a new category, FlexiCap. And the rule was simple: invest 65% of money across market caps without any restrictions. Soon, more than 20 multi-cap funds became FlexiCap funds. Cut to today, there are 39 schemes managing 4.5 lakh crore, which makes it the second biggest equity fund category in India. And its most famous Parag Parikh FlexiCap fund is also the biggest equity fund with the AUM of 98,000 crore. But what makes FlexiCap so attractive? The flexibility of investing without restrictions, which allowed fund managers to gauge the market trend and shift money between large, mid, and small cap stocks. And that's why current volatile market में top 10 FlexiCap funds have more than 60% exposure to large cap stocks. और इसी flexibility की वजह से पिछले 5 सालों में when large cap funds gave around 20% returns, FlexiCap gave 22% returns because it could invest the remaining amount in mid and small cap stocks. Here are the top 5 FlexiCap funds where our users have invested. Found this useful? Follow Power Up Money for all things mutual funds.